What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack my people. So viewers and subscribers, you know, say we say forward, we are now peanut dread. I cry out my people. You understand? Yeah man, them a cry out now. And I say yo, him need help and this and that. And there's a lot of mix to the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers. So you see me personally, I just want to analyze this thing as best and where people can really understand to the fullest based on what I look and when I see I go on with Peanut Dread on him YouTube channel, because at that we are dealing right now, my people. You understand? Because this is the main thing where a lot of people are say him popular, him dep on YouTube, he might make a bag of money, so why things not go him way and this and that and that. You know what I mean, my viewers and subscribers? So I want to know if you understand this, because a lot of people, they don't really understand how YouTube really works. You understand? And if you don't understand how it works, then you can speculate and you can say anything, my viewers and subscribers. So what I go go now look at preview, you know what I mean, which most people may see it already and thing. And this is where Peanut Dread is speaking about his current situation and what he's facing. Then you know we understand, if you never see it, where I'm coming from. Because I just want to just talk and then you know, someone wanna see where I'm coming from, then make drop back in. So check out this, my people.
Boy, daughter, over the world, the amount of people me see gravitate onto me, I thought me should get some better attention here, because I get called from all over, serious. If it wasn't you, I would rob and kill. When me listen to you, and me say imagine, and the condition what I into, I feel if everybody did know the condition what I into and come together, I would live more comfort, right? Because I'm living a rough life right now, yeah? Yeah, we really need some attention, right? Just through a base scamming thing, I go on with and I can't help it. I have to just go and say, from me down sick, not feeling any pain. When rain fall, me now wet. And me can't find some to eat. Me I say, boy, but that is not good enough, right? Me need some comfort. You got me? Yeah. So I would ask the whole world if they can really come together and give me some attention, and I would feel better, you know, see. Yeah. Because right now, me don't have no comfort, lady. You see? And if everybody will gravitate onto me, they really know the condition what I into. I thought they would, but they don't know. That's what happened. So, me give thanks for you to come and interview I. That's how I can maybe tell the world, say, I man really need some attention here, friend. They really gravitate onto my slang and my attention too. You understand? Because I not really make up nothing, you know? It's what a man pass through in life and face make you become intelligent, not read book, you see? A lot of people can read, but they don't pass through nothing, right? And as I told you, I don't get no parents' attention, right? All of my young boy labor gone. Nothing. Just all clothes and belly full. It deadly, and it's not me alone. When me go around Jamaica and see the condition some people into, that saved me from all take poison, my brethren. Yeah. Because me say it's not me alone, you see. So, I try to see if I can do. Because either you do or die. Right? I can't afford to be dead. So, I have to try to fight the battle. You know, seeing my brethren. So, right now, if people can really come together, man, and give me better attention, I would feel so grateful. You see? Yeah. As I say, my leg bone break and they put wire on some bead, they said they tie on wire to resist infection because it was infected, right? And when the doctor was putting in it, me asked him if when the bone set, if he going to take it out back. And him say yes. And it's 5 years now, and the bone set, and then it won't give me no trouble and all, and I suddenly me see it burst out. You see? Yeah, yes, I have a problem, man, with this foot here, man. See here the leg bone. See there, see me have to tie it up. See there, see it all around there. See there, you see it? You understand, lady? Oh God, oh God, oh God. You see what I mean, my brethren? And it need to look after. And them will give me a whole heap of different appointment, you see. And then, right now, next week, December must come. And it has slowed me up because I have my work and have my thing to do and I can't figure it around with it.
Some viewers and subscribers, yeah man, so Peanut judge himself, my people. You understand? Him that attack, him that speak out. And what more than if you understand. So for the person who basically him said it control him channel first and thing, which me don't know the half of that go and how them analyze, how them share money and this and that, my people. But before him channel did that generate, you know what I mean, some good views, you know, I mean, not lie, you know, he was putting up more content than them something of people before, you know, and the channel did have some good views. I said video leak over 100,000 views, 90,000 views, you know, so he was getting some good views before, my people, you know what I mean. But if you really go to Peanut Dread videos, them, my people, him hardly upload videos, and people understand this. YouTube don't pay you based on your subscribers. Because a man can have 100,000 subscribers. I want you to understand. And a man have 10,000 subscribers. And the man with 10,000 subscribers is making 50 times what the man with 100,000 subscribers making. YouTube pay generate off of views where you get. And not every video on YouTube, you know what I mean, is fit to be monetized where you can get views. Because if the video don't, you know, pass certain limit, cause there's a lot of restrictions on YouTube. And if the video don't fit, you know what I mean, them have a robot system and them have a system where it can manually check where people can go over it. And if it don't pass that video not going to make no money once the video not monetized. You get what I'm saying? So what a lot of people don't understand is them we think so yo it's all about the subscribers, it's all about no, and YouTube pay your based on the ads them that is running on your videos, you know. So you can also assist and make him make money. If him say him a control him channel and thing right now, is when I see the ads them forward up on the video, you watch them. Because the longer you watch these ads, that's how the YouTubers make their money. When you come to boom, you skip the ads short. You know, that's not really making the YouTuber make nothing. Real level, I'm telling you. But when you make the ads stay now and watch it out, you know, if you continually doing that, the longer you watch it out, that's how the YouTubers them money will make, people. So for now, him say him a control him thing. Him say him not get robbed. Him you know what I mean? But him say before it was other people controlling it, my people. See? So you will go through his channel now, and if you I go through it, my people. And in like him last upload, yes, today, couple hours ago. And the one before that was 9 days ago. The one before that one was 2 weeks ago. The one before that one was 3 weeks ago. And you have a couple like 2 more for 3 weeks ago. See? And me I go tell you how much views. If you add up all of these views, how much him get. So within this period, like say basically a month, he got 22 on that one. He got 51 on that one, which should work out to 73. He got 15 on this one, which should work out to 88, you get what I'm saying? And then you have 38 on that one, which should work out to like say 130 something thousand, and then that one 30 had more, which should work out to 160,000 this and plus this one. Basically say 175,000 views. Put it that way, you understand? He get within a month. And I can't tell you this, my people, on a real level. He might make a look of money, yes. You understand? He might go make a look of change. But don't better believe say he might go make no bag of money off of this, no. You know what I mean? He might go make some money, but don't believe say he might go make a bag of money. And we are talking about a 1 month span because YouTube pay every month. You see? So, he make a look of change, but when you hear him cry or so, really and truly, he will cry. You know what I mean? He will cry. Have expense, same a bill, same a do this. So, if him say him need some help, him really don't need the help, on a joke. So, what me the advice Peanut Dread for them, my people? Me the advice him for them. Me understand him doing peanut business, selling peanut, yes. Spend more time, create contents. And what him need to understand is, the people them love him naturally. Zine, them love him, not based on the fact. So, if him do run out a story when I'm past, because if you notice more sign content, them him talk about things that basically happen. Not know if it's true, most of them are a lie, tell or whatever. But he talk about things that mostly happen in their life based on the fact. But Peanut Dread need to just start randomly talk. Just talk about the life. People love him. People love him talk. People love him Giddibs, Radam. You know, just talk. Create content every day. Upload at least 2 videos every day. Zine, every single day. At least 2 videos every day. Once you have health and strength, you know what I mean? If you have somebody I work with who can edit them for you, you and them make an agreement. If you say you are control it, make an agreement with this person. How much percentage you're willing to pay this person? And if that person agree, get a JP, get a paper and sign it. You know what I mean? In the end, if you don't really understand this thing, you know, because a lot of people don't understand people. If you don't really understand this computer business, this internet thing and how these things do work, you cannot control this thing. And if you don't have somebody who trustworthy, who is good, they will rob you. They will. This is not joke thing, people. You understand? Remember, you know, you have YouTube did so, and you have YouTube create a studio, and the studio that be like the office where all of the tools them in. You understand? If you can't read and write, if you're in trouble. You understand? Which I'm not gonna say he can't. I'm just saying. So in some point, him do need people around him to assist, to help him. But him need people who can trust. Him need real people, which nowadays people, honestly, me tell us I not trust nobody. He hard to find. But what am I gonna do? Zine? Where am I gonna do? So I'm not gonna judge, I'm not gonna bash and say he's getting robbed. Zine, some people go over the whole thing and them say, yo, like I saw somebody where say in the past 6 months you get like over 2.5 million views. Zine, 6 months you're talking about, half of a year. And I'm guarantee and tell you this, how much money you feel say him really do make off of that? You feel say he make like $1 million for that or something like that? Come on, man. I tell you, you have to understand how the system do work with this thing. Zine, and being in other parts, in other regions. Like for me, personally, people, where I'm living, right? For me, I make you understand this, but me not really talk my business and stuff, but me make you know this. For me personally, every income I made from YouTube, from the United States of America, I'm talking about in USA. So whatever earnings, and most of my views come from USA. Big up to my fans them in the US. Big up all of my fans them. But every earnings that I earn from in the United States of America, based on the fact where I'm in a country where they don't have a tax treaty with the United States of America, so automatically I have to pay. I not even say me have to. Them take it out themselves, Zine, and give who them, so them give IRS, whatever. So every money I made from the United States of America pertaining to my YouTube channel, 30% of that go towards the US government. So if I make $1,000 in the United States dollar, just saying, people, now tell us I make $1,000, you understand? Just saying, if I make $1,000, $300 will be deducted and go to them. So me get 7. You understand what I come off? In a Jamaica, it is different now because they have a tax treaty. So I think Jamaica would pay like 15% or 10% if I have it right. But in that region, because they go through all of the agreement, and before this did do approve, we did have to sign to it, and if you don't sign to it, automatically them are going to do it, or then you just don't do your YouTube. You understand? So you could stop, you could run from it. But I'm just telling my people, so for other people may think and say whatever, go on with it and this and that, people. Of course, him we are cry and force we are feel certain things. You know what I mean? He will, but on a real level, him need to do some more work. The people love him, if you understand that, do some more work, get somebody for work with, you know what I mean? Get the smartphone, get the camera, whatever one I use, person willing to edit and jump up, and be not judge video them not taking a big editing. You understand? Because naturally people video them and them attack and them upload them and this, not taking a big thing. You know what I mean? But me not gonna say before, people never shake him or people never take from him, but we are talking about now, people, when you see him a cry and if you can't help, assist, help. You understand? Assist, help. If you can't help him, help him. Please, link him up, talk to him. You understand? So, don't bother believe, not because you see the 70,000 and same a controlled subscriber. If you check through the content them and the videos them on the channel, then and if you really get what I'm saying, then you will understand. Say, him we need the help for you. You understand? So, it's just a good understanding with people. As I say, I not do it for bring down nobody, for bash nobody. I do it as best for you can understand what really are going on. You understand? Because some people are going to come because based on the fact peanut just cry and start this up some man and say, yo, them money are thief, them are this, them are that, them are... No, but I cannot say that, my people. You understand? But as best as I can break it down for you all to understand, that's what I did. So, big up on yourself, man, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comment. So, people, you don't know, say one team, one team, one scheme, and you don't know, my people. I appreciate everyone, man. Everyone. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe. No, thank you, man. Follow me on IG and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. You don't know, say one scheme, my people. One dream, one team. Peanut Jed, Radam. Big up yourself, my brother. You don't know. Peace out.